Hey guys, welcome back to King's Outdoor Life, and this is the video for day 2 and a little bit of day 3 in South Dakota. I had camera problems on day 2. I didn't know that at the time, and now coming back I'm trying to watch the video and had one issue where a perfect spot in the video, it just froze, and I got audio for the rest of the video but no video. And then a couple times it was on what's called time lapse instead of regular video. So some of the best footage I had, I thought, was going to be like a time lapse, so no really footage at all. But anyway, I'm going to put this video together. I'm doing the intro this morning. I've been working on it here after my morning walk with the dogs, and I decided, you know what, I'm going to put it out there. There's a guy that has a video or a channel called Struggling Outdoors. This was Struggling Outdoors on this video part of it. We had a good day, but you know, when you're trying to get videos, when the videos don't turn out, it's kind of disappointing. But anyway, we had a good time. Going to have a little bit of video showing some birds, and then some video just showing the dogs. One person told me, hey, I want to see more of the dogs working, even if there's not birds in it. So we're going to get that on this video. So anyway, thanks for watching. Watch as long as you can stand it. I understand, but still give us a like, give us a subscribe, and maybe we'll have some better footage and videos to come here. All right, have a great day. Couldn't tell. Good girl, Sadie. I watched this several times in super slow-mo. You tell me. I think it's a long-tailed hen myself. She's a pretty old girl, though. Waterfowl production area again here. Look at this golden grass I'm in. There's some thick grass to the right. Dogs are working this great, and Sadie does a great job putting this bird up. And listen to her once that bird gets up, how excited she is. And with that beep, which is what I pressed to record, the camera froze, so we don't get the rest of the scene here. It was a great retrieve by Dolly. She brought it right back to me. Let's watch that one again in slow-mo. You can see Dolly right on that rooster's tail. I missed the first time, get it the second time, but no shot cam again. I don't know if you heard Sadie's little bark there again. She was on the tail of another rooster. That was what Jake was shooting out to the right of the frame when I was watching that hen in front of me to the left. There goes two more birds out of here. This is a little spot of cattails in this waterfowl production area, and there's water in the middle of it. Cattails high as your head, so they were hanging out in this stuff where we couldn't get to them. Or I guess we could have gotten to them, but it would have been a muddy mess. But anyway, stood here a minute, watched about a dozen birds go out. Here's where the time lapse comes in. I'll slow it down and tell you the story. And the dogs did a great job of putting the bird up. Jake shoots at it twice. I shoot at it once. It knocks it down in this big, huge pond, I guess what you call it. Never found it. I don't know if it dove, and we never saw it again. This next part, new production area here. I'm walking this little fence row, and the bird gets up right there between Abigail and my dog Dolly. They were working it and got up and flew into the fence and then got up, and I killed it right here on the other side of the fence. But since it was on time lapse, all you get is me holding up a beautiful rooster. So hate that I missed that one. I thought that was going to be such good footage, so disappointing to say the least there. This is day 3 here, and I'm going to be quiet in a minute, and you can hear the wind. Just amazing 34 and 40 mile per hour winds, and the conditions were tough. And I should get one bird here on camera, but didn't get the shot part of it because the camera died right before the bird got up and Jake shot it. Here's some tailgate pictures of day 2, day 3. And the last one here with my buddy's German Shorthair on day 3. Well, thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe. The rest of the video is going to be just, like I said, dogs doing dog work. No birds being harmed in the rest of this video. Again, appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully I'll see you on the next one.
Huh? Perhaps. They're right here in this rough stuff. Good girl. Good girl. Get another one up. Got birds in there, baby. Birds in there. Let's go birds. Hey, get birds. I really believe there's a bird in this stuff right here. You smell it? Do you smell it? No, act like you smell one in here. Get him up, Don. Get him up. Come on, out front. Let's go. Let's go, Adam. Get him up. Get him up. Good girl, Abby. Get him up. Get him up. There's a bird in here, I promise. Well, I don't promise, but I think. Good girl. Good girl. Find that bird. All those hens, there's bound to be a rooster with them. Let's go. Maybe not. Out front. Out front. Get him up.